National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a tornado warning for Northwestern Marion County in south-central Mississippi, eastern Lawrence County in south-central Mississippi, southwestern Jefferson Davis County in south-central Mississippi, until 8:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:13 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Salem, or 10 miles northwest of Kokomo, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated location. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Tilton around 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Robinwood and Oakville around 7:35 p.m. Central Standard Time. Arm around 7:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Progress around 7:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. Prentice around 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Silver Creek. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.